Hey guys, welcome back to Gretchen's Vegan Bakery. Today I want to show you this recipe for fast and easy no-bake apple cream pie. This dessert takes under 30 minutes to make, so if you need something quick and delicious, this recipe is for you. Now, the reason it is so fast is because I am using a store-bought crust for the pie. Oh my god, how dare you! And cocoa whip topping for the whipped cream. But otherwise, the silky vanilla custard cooks up in minutes and the sauteed apples are the same. Of course, you can make your own pie crust if you prefer, as I did here for my recent mango raspberry cream pie. And I do have several recipe options for vegan whipped cream as well. And as always, the links for everything will be below this video at gretchensveganbakery.com. But for today, let's go super fast, lazy route for this really awesome fall recipe. First, get the apples sauteed with some vegan butter and cinnamon sugar and cook them until they start to caramelize. Now, I do like to hit mine with some white wine or brandy, but you can skip that part altogether. So just cook them until they're tender, but not so that they're mushy or falling apart. Then just set those aside while you prepare the custard. Now, I use soy milk, but any plant milk will do if you're not a soy person. A sprinkle of turmeric for color, cornstarch, vegan butter, and sugar. Oh, and vanilla extract. Now, get the cornstarch and the sugar combined in a sauce pot and then add the plant milk. Literally just a dash of turmeric for color, and you can actually leave that out. I just think it adds an authentic custardy color, which would have otherwise been the egg yolks in a non-vegan recipe. So bring all of that up to a boil over medium heat, stirring constantly. And once it starts to bubble, turn off the heat, add the vegan butter and the vanilla extract, and stir it out until it's smooth. Now you'll get half of those apples into the bottom of your pie crust and pour the hot custard over top. The other half of the apples goes on top of that, and then get it to the refrigerator to cool and set. And that's it, you are literally done. Of course, except for the wait time that it takes to cool and set this pie, but this was just about 25 minutes total of working time. It doesn't get any easier than this, you guys. Oh my god, how dare you! It really should just take about an hour to set, but then you can pile on that entire tub of cocoa whip. And now for a sprinkling of crushed graham crackers. Oh yeah, baby, we getting fancy up in here today. It's so funny, I swing from super elegant restaurant level desserts like the one from last week to this dollar store special. But believe me, this taste is far from dollar store. Hey, listen, we can't be all bougie all the damn time. Sometimes you just gotta go fast and easy, and this apple cream pie is definitely that. But with creamy cinnamon apple custardy goodness that no one will know took you less than 30 minutes to make, believe me. Now, the caramel sauce is optional, and I just happened to have some on hand, and that's why I used it, but man, it really took this over the top. So whatever you do, caramel or not, be sure to make this recipe. You are going to love it, I promise. So head on over to gretchensveganbakery.com to grab all the recipes and check out all the other great recipes that I have for this fall. So whether you're an apple lover, a pumpkin lover, or just a vegan dessert lover, I definitely have something for everyone. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, I wish that you will. As always, I want to give a great big thank you and shout out to my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal. I say it every time, without you guys, I wouldn't be able to be sharing my recipes for free. That is the truth. So you guys are awesome, and I thank you so much. If you think you can help support this channel for as little as $1 a month, click the links below to find out how. Alright everyone, thanks again for liking, commenting, and sharing my videos, and until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.